So hello everyone. Today I have with me my student Justina, and she has cleared her paper 1 in the July 2024. So congratulations, Justina. And
Thank you, ma'am.
so tell me something about yourself. Do introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Justina Tixera, and I'm working presently as a teacher. So I did my CTET past 3 years, I think. This was my third attempt, and I did clear it with a good score. So I'm thankful to ma'am about it.
So Justina, why did you do your CTET? Because right now
I
this
think
thing
that
is not
was
mandatory in Maharashtra as yet. But why did you do your CTET?
basically I did my CTET because the year I shifted school, I entered in a very clear cut vacancy. But then there was a rule that such teachers from that particular year onwards, like 2014 onwards, had to clear MATET or CTET. Then MATET was compulsory, the MATET. But then after that, there was no
MATET is your
results
Maharashtra
for,
TET.
yeah,
MATET.
the Maharashtra TET. And then afterwards, I think I went for CTET. The first attempt that I tried was not on a regular study level. I just went. I did not clear that. And then the second attempt that I took was with you. And then the third attempt I cleared out.
So what was the difference between your first attempt and second attempt?
I think there was a huge difference because when I did my first attempt, I think my score was just 35, like basically just referring to some books.
Huh.
Okay, I had no knowledge. I felt like it was something which you usually regularly do. But then as I went through, then I came to know that there's a lot of pedagogy things that I have to go through it to learn.
The syllabus is vast. So how did you make that? Because you're teaching, you're a mother, we can see you have a naughty
I
kid
think the
around.
syllabus is very vast, and being a parent at home, having a kid at home, and then working, making time was really very difficult. But then I remembered some strategies what you had told, like giving every day at least some amount of time, half an hour, 15, 20 minutes. So maybe every day was not possible at times, but then I used to do make out because since time available, once you get up, you go to work, come back in the evening, then you do a duty as a mother. Then once my kid used to go to sleep, and that was a night time that I used to get, where I used to sit in for 1 hour or half an hour maybe, and do some recollect. Then maybe while traveling, I used to go through your notes and all. So that was the only time that I used to, get time and recollect and revise everything.
Yeah, every day, regular work.
Regular work,
Yeah.
yes.
Justina, language options if we take, like we know in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, our Hindi isn't very strong. So how did you work out on the language options? What to take as L1, L2, and even if like how did you work with Hindi? I think basically is my question.
Basically, language one was not a issue, but language two, I think I had told you also. For me, Hindi was very very difficult, and my second attempt also when I did was very difficult because it's not a normal Hindi question that you answer in the paper. It's a little difficult level. So I think I remember your strategies, what you had told me. Try to understand the question, and then you had given me a few vocab words that I
Yes.
used to go to it regularly, and then maybe reading those that helped me.
Yes. I think that's a very good resource. I had done it for myself though, to understand Hindi because
Yeah,
in
correct.
Bombay, in Maharashtra, we really don't speak that Hindi at all. We're not used to
Yeah, so it was a little difficult. Even this attempt, when I said about Hindi, for this time also, I was a little bit afraid that I don't know how I will cope up. But then maybe I think I tried understanding, and I cleared it.
underlining
That
the
was a
main
big
words.
thing for
Yes,
me.
yes.
Yes.
So, how many PYPs did you solve, and what was your strategy?
I think this year the PIP, what you told, like regularly solving papers and then coming to know like how much on your basis, just to know how much score you have scored per subject. That gave me that little bit more of confidence. Like earlier solving PIPs also helped, but this year I think when you said on your basis, you just score yourself and see. how much you get.
The confidence
So
score
that
that I
I
talk
feel,
about.
yes, it gave me a lot of confidence score. And then you had said that you should keep up your mind that 2020 plus लाना ही है, इतने subjects में 2020 लेना है. So that was my, I think, strategy that worked out for the PIPs this time.
Yes. What happens, I had a student who called up and said, I have solved 10 previous year papers. I said, if you've solved 10 previous year papers, then why aren't you doing well? So then the strategy they were not using, like they were just blindly solving and then forgetting about it. Yeah, so that helps. So frankly, Justina, what do you think? On your own, should you do the CTET or take a mentor?
I feel a mentor helped me because my very first year, as I told you, when I attempted CTET, I just blindly attempted, fill the form, and then someone suggested me few books, and then I usually went through. But the matter was so much like could not understand what to read, what not, and then it didn't help me. But then second time I heard about you on Insta, and that's how when I spoke to you, I joined your classes. And then maybe there is a lot, but then when you do it in little terms, you understand what is the pedagogy part and what are the questions asked. So that really helped me. So I feel a mentor will really guide you and help you to score.
And any last words, anything that you want to say?
I feel it's a really big thing for me clearing CTET like in my third attempt, because my second attempt when I did not, I only remember your words saying that, try what you went wrong, try not to repeat that. So I think this time I really worked hard, but I was still a little this thing because the EVS pedagogy was really difficult. What you had thought, I tried, done everything, went through everything, and you had told like recollect what you have done. One day prior, don't go to learn anything new. Just revise, recollect. So I kept doing that and I felt I really cleared. So maybe basic for CTET is like you need to know the concept thorough.
Yes.
That's when you can choose between your options, which are the correct ones.
So thank you so much, Justina. I know you're not well.
Ma'am.
You have taken time. So I'm really, really
thank you so much.